guys, this is Ravikiran. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm back with another video that is a review of Yamaha MT-15 BS6 model. So this video is also available in Telugu. If you want to see my video in Telugu, you can watch that video as well. So that's in my iCards. So you can check it out. And in this video, I'll be covering the main features, and I'm also going to tell you what is Customize Your Warrior program and as well as ride review. So these all other things will be addressing in the single video. So do watch the video till the end. If you are new to my channel or watching my videos for the first time, please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will never miss my updates when I upload a video. So without getting late, let's start it. This is the all new Yamaha MT-15 BS6 model, and let me quickly show you the quick walk around. The bike looks absolutely gorgeous in this particular design, and there are also premium bikes available in this MT series, that is MT-07 and MT-09, which are very fast in its segment, and they are actually sports bikes. So this is a naked sport. And before starting up with the features, I'll tell you the engine figures. So basically this is a 155cc engine which is liquid cooled. So in only this vehicle like MT-15 and R15, we are getting liquid cooling system in it, whereas in other vehicles you get air cooled or oil cooled. And basically this is a 155cc engine which produces 18.5 PS power at 13.9 Nm of torque. So this is actually a fastest vehicle in its 160cc class. And let me start up with the front design. It literally looks like some kind of dragon or something. And if you can closely observe the indicators are actually LED. So this is actually a customizable option. So you can customize this indicators from normal halogen to LED. And these are two DRL type of lights with projector main lamp. So this is projector which includes low beam and high beam. And one more thing, most of the people are disappointed about this front suspension. So on the new version like 2020 2021, you are getting the same telescopic suspension as we have expected USD folks, but Yamaha has continued the same telescopic suspension as well as single channel ABS, which I will be telling you in a moment. So the size of the shock absorber is little bit more than the other vehicles. The telescopic suspension with the other bikes like Pulsar or Apache, the size of the fork is little bit high than the other vehicles. And now let's talk about the wheel section. On the front you got 100 section wheels, 17 inch, and basically this has single channel ABS, and the brake calipers are from Vibri. So this bike actually offers you good amount of stopping power as well as power. So this is one of the fastest 155cc segment, so which I will be showing you in a couple of minutes. And coming to the side section, you got MT logo on the side, which is master of torque, ABS logo, liquid cooling system, and the position of the foot pegs is placed little bit backside when compared with other models. So if you used to person of Pulsar or any other vehicle, then this will be little bit different because the foot pegs are set to the rear side to give you that aggressive riding position. And coming to its pillion footrest, the distance between the pillion footrest and the rider footrests are pretty close, so you may find little bit of uncomfortable members sit on the bike. And coming to its seat, this is a single seat layout which is actually short, so a single person can easily sit, but this will be little difficult for the two persons. And the position of grab rails is also very bad, you cannot actually grab the vehicle, so this is little awkward. And you got LED tail lamp, LED blinkers. As I said, this can be customizable. And coming to the rear section, you got 140 section rear tires, really big in this segment. And you got monoshock suspension at the back. And coming to its transmission, basically this has 6-speed transmission, whereas in other bikes you can see 5-speed. But this particular MT-15 and R15 has the 6-speed transmission, and it also has assistant slipper clutch, which really gives you good amount of riding experience. And coming to its main fuel tank, the fuel tank capacity is only 10 liters, which is actually small for this vehicle. And let me also show you the instrumentation cluster. So this is the negative instrumentation cluster, it says high body. And in this you can see speedometer, odometer, trip meter, trip A, trip B, average fuel economy, and fuel range. So these all are the features that you get in this. And engine malfunction light, neutral, ABS light. So couple of information that you can see. This is a negative LCD display which can be little bit difficult to see in the bright daylight conditions. And this is a shift light. So the shift light position is also very good. And coming to its right side switches, you got engine kill switch, electric start button, and it has dual throttle cables. To the left side you can see high beam, low beam and pass switch, which is integrated into the same button, and position of the horn is placed in the center between the high beam, low beam indicator and as well as turn signals. So assistant slipper clutch, and the visibility of rear mirrors is not that great, so you need to change the rear mirrors. These are just the basic figures of Yamaha MT-15. Let's go for a ride, see the ride impressions. And let's go for a ride. And after 7,000 the VVA kicks in, and now let me show you the VVA, how it works. So after 7,000 the VVA actually activates, which means the power is contained from starting low end to high end. So the same amount of power is carried from low 1000 RPM to like 10,000, 11,000 RPM. So this is a variable valve actuation, which actually gives you more advantage to take on high speeds. And coming to its main power, just now I have said this bike has around 18 PS of power. This power is actually little bit high than its other competitors. The top speed is also high when compared with other vehicles. Like if you compare it with TVS Apache or else Pulsar, they can do like 120, 130 km per hour, but this bike can do a top speeds of 140, 150, and it can also reach up to 155 km per hour, which is really good. So this is actually only for the people who are really interested in power and who want to go for solo rides. So two persons cannot actually sit on this vehicle because the rear seat is so small. So this is only for a single person comfortably. And let's talk about its suspension. The suspension given on this vehicle is on stiffer side. So it's not too soft. It's basically on stiffer side. You can feel little amount of bumps when you take it on the unlevel or loose gravel surface. Next point, mileage. So if we consider talking about the mileage is little bit less because actually this is a 155cc which produces 18 PS power. So if the power is high, the mileage will be less. So you can expect a mileage somewhere around 35 around 35 in the city. And this mileage also depends upon your riding skills. So if you ride the vehicle very smoothly, or you can handle, or if you handle the bike very neat, then you can expect little more miles. Or if you just always flick the throttle, do rash driving, then you are going to end up with low fuel. So this is how it would be about the mileage. And next point, brakes. So brakes given on these bikes are really good. I actually love the brakes. So brakes on this vehicle are from Vibri, and they provide good stopping power. Personally, I am liking its braking power. And just to tell you, the speedometer is actually disconnected, so don't comment me about that, as this is a showroom vehicle. So they have disconnected that and they gave me the bike for review. So the ABS is also disconnected. If you disconnect the speedometer, the ABS will also be disconnected. Being a single channel ABS, as we all expected this bike to get dual channel ABS, but ended up with only single channel ABS. That is really disappointing. And as well as USD forks are missing. So these all are the minus points that are in this MT-15, because this bike is priced at rupees 1,67,000 on road. So for the price tag of 1,67,000, you are getting only telescopic suspension and single channel ABS. So if you go with the R15, you are getting dual channel in that, but no USD forks. So if you see the vehicle and compare it with the international market vehicle, then that vehicle has USD forks. That is missing in our Indian market vehicle. So this is how the MT-15 is. And final verdict, if I have to say about this bike, so this is only for the people who really wanted power and wanted to take the bike in solo rides. So if you want to take pillion along with you, there will not be a good choice for you. So it's entirely your decision to make whether you have to buy it or not. I also introduced to customize your program. That means you can customize this bike as per your choice. There are 11 type of color options that you can change. Like you can change the body color, you can change the alloy wheels color. So I will be displaying the brochure on the screen. You can see that. So you can also visit the Yamaha website and they'll let you know details of customize your warrior options. So this is all about Yamaha MT-15. I think you have got a rough idea about this MT-15. So I'm going to end the video here. If you like this video, hit the like button, share the video with your friends. If you are new to my channel or else watching my videos for the first time, please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will never miss my updates when I upload a video. And a little amount of support is also needed because a lot of new content like this will be provided in the future vlogs. So stay tuned for my channel, and you can also follow my updates on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is Ravikiran Kasturi. So keep following me. This is Ravikiran signing off.